You are welcome to digitizings.com, the channel dedicated to turning your creative visions into perfectly digitized realities. Digitizings.com offers the best online custom embroidery, digitizing, and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit or debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizings.com or visit the website digitizings.com. Now let's explore something new and grow knowledge about.
If you're a professional embroiderer or looking to take your embroidery skills to the next level, having the right digitizing software is essential. Professional-grade software offers advanced tools and features that allow you to create intricate designs with precision. Wilcom EmbroideryStudio E4. Overview. Wilcom EmbroideryStudio E4 is widely recognized as the gold standard in embroidery digitizing software. It provides an all-in-one solution for professional embroiderers, offering precision and flexibility for creating high-quality designs. With its user-friendly interface and powerful tools, it's ideal for both small businesses and large-scale embroidery operations. Features: advanced lettering and monogramming tools that cater to a variety of styles, seamless integration with CorelDRAW for creating and importing vector-based designs, automatic and manual digitizing options to suit different skill levels, enhanced stitch editing capabilities for customizing every detail of your design, realistic 3D design previews that allow you to visualize the final output, extensive thread and fabric libraries for accurate design planning, supports multi-decoration designs, including sequins and applique, offers cloud storage options for design backups and easy access across devices. Pricing: the software starts at $2,500. Additional modules for specific functionalities, such as advanced sequin stitching or chenille, can be purchased separately. Windows and Mac compatibility. Wilcom EmbroideryStudio E4 is compatible with Windows. For Mac users, it requires virtualization software such as Parallels or Boot Camp. Conclusion: Wilcom EmbroideryStudio E4 stands out as the ultimate choice for professional embroiderers seeking precision, flexibility, and advanced capabilities. Its comprehensive features, such as advanced lettering tools, seamless CorelDRAW integration, and realistic 3D previews, make it an invaluable tool for creating high-quality, intricate embroidery designs. While the starting price of $2,500 may seem steep, the software's extensive functionality and modular add-ons ensure that it meets the demands of both small businesses and large-scale operations. Though it is natively compatible only with Windows, Mac users can still benefit from its robust offerings through virtualization solutions like Parallels or Boot Camp. For those serious about elevating their embroidery work,
if embroidery digitizing is on your mind, trust digitizings.com to deliver accuracy. Digitizings.com offers the best online custom embroidery digitizing and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizings.com or visit the website digitizings.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video.